In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and leave inactive channels in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and sign up into your Slack workspace and then head over to this manage my sidebar. And if you click on it, you can see leave inactive channels. If you click on this, you'll see a list of all inactive channels that are on your Slack workspace. For my case, I don't have an inactive channel, so I don't have any channel to leave. So for your case, if you see a list of them, go ahead and choose or select the ones you want to leave, and you will have exited from those inactive channels on Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.